Welcome back. If you do not have health insurance, this is your chance to get covered. EnrollSA is here to help. Their goal is to increase health care coverage in Bexar County. And here to tell us more is Ms. Sofia Moreno Castillo with Centro Med, along with the lovely Molly Cox with SA 2020. Hello, ladies.
Hello. Hi, thanks for having us.
Good. Thank you for being here, and thank you for what you are making sure people get done this weekend. You have a big event. Tell us what's going to happen and why people need to be there.
Yeah, so it's our very first enrollment event because November 15th kicks off ACA enrollment, and that'll be at UTSA's downtown campus. Okay. The very first enrollment event of this year, which is kind of important, actually.
It's hugely important, and it needs to be a priority for people who need that coverage. So who is eligible?
Basically everyone who is here legally, those people who have not been able to get insured in the past because maybe they had a health condition that prevented them from being able to buy health insurance.
Now, last year people waited until the very last minute, Molly.
Yes.
We do not want them to wait again this year. I can imagine just how chaotic it was for them, for you, trying to help them to get covered. What can they do today, right now, in order to start the process?
Well, the first thing that they could do actually is show up to an enrollment event where you get free assistance in figuring out what health insurance coverage or plans that you could potentially get. And then I'm going to say December 15th is the day to think about it, right? Like, that's the last day. It doesn't matter that you can go till February 15th, procrastinators. December 15th.
You know who you are out there.
You know who you are. December 15th is what we are saying is like the best deadline, because then you actually have health insurance starting January 1st of 2015.
First of the year.
Yeah.
The first of the
And
year.
that's even important also for those people that are renewing their insurance, because many insurances may not just turn over this year again. And so they need to make sure that they go by December 15th and pick another plan if needed.
Now, as far as what they need to bring to the event this weekend, this is very important. There are some necessary items. What do they need to have with them on Saturday?
Basically information that is about their names, birth dates, social security numbers, legal documents, income information. And even if they don't have everything, we still can help them begin the application process, and we can always schedule them to come back later on.
Now, let's talk about penalties, because there actually is a penalty if you do not enroll for 2015. So that should be motivation. What are the penalties?
This coming year is going to be 2% of your annual income, or $325 per adult, $162.50 per child. It could be as much as $975 for the year for the family.
That is a lot.
Yes.
It's a tiny bit of a cash.
That's a lot of cash.
Money. Yeah.
That's a lot. So people need to show up then with all of this information on Saturday, and as you mentioned, there will be people there to help them through the process.
Yeah, if you need event or enrollment assistance, there will be people there doing it for free, helping you out. And of course, I will say this, you could also just go online and start the process yourself, right? So if you don't want to come out to an event, that's okay. Go to EnrollSA.com.